In a rapidly evolving world, opportunity belongs to those who recognize the future before everyone else. Welcome to Zilamining, a growing ecosystem built around real-world assets, digital innovation, and global opportunities. Through our Gold Share ecosystem, members participate in an industry that has created wealth for generations. Our operations leverage advanced technology to ensure efficient and responsible extraction. Gold remains one of the world's most recognized stores of value. Our Cocoa Share ecosystem connects agriculture with global demand, supporting productive farming and stable commodity markets, connecting local production to the global stage. Zilamining is also embracing the digital economy through Bitcoin mining infrastructure, bringing together cutting-edge technology and blockchain innovation, securing the future of digital finance. Our vision goes beyond mining and agriculture. We are pursuing manufacturing opportunities, including glass production, stone processing, and industrial development, building a foundation for long-term growth. We believe the future must be sustainable. That is why green energy solutions are an important part of our strategy. Innovating today for a cleaner tomorrow. Zilamining is building a global ecosystem where real-world assets, technology, and community come together. Explore the opportunities, join the vision, become part of the future.